This beautiful, delicious looking thing, this is Brinjal Fry. Follow along and make this recipe yourself. Hey, good morning everyone. This is Ashok. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make Brinjal Fry. In Telugu we call this as Vankaya Fry, Vankaya Vepudu. South Indian favorite. We usually have Brinjal Fry with some rice and dal. We call dal as pappu in Telugu. Annam, pappu, Vankaya Vepudu. If you ask any Telugu person, he or she will say that among the favorites. You also see Brinjal Fry being enjoyed in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, and parts of Telangana also. Watch and enjoy, and let me know if you have any questions anywhere in the recipe. If you have any doubts, if you feel that there can be a variation here which could be tried, you can comment below. We can try that variation as well. And one more thing, thanks for watching guys. My subscriber counts are increasing like anything. So thank you for subscribing and watching all my videos religiously. So thanks a lot. Once I reach 100 subscribers, I'll also acknowledge and we'll have a party. So thank you. It's a healthy dish made with the bare essential ingredients, and all of them are very healthy. So it's just brinjal. Vegan. If you're following a vegan lifestyle, you can try brinjal fry. There are no animal sourced ingredients in it. Usually you might see in Telugu dishes we have a lot of ghee. In Vankaya Fry we are not. In this recipe which I'm making today, we are not going to use any ghee. Let's go. Let's start. Let's start. Yes, let's start. You guessed it right. You need a brinjal, you need one onion, and you need some curry leaves. Listen carefully because this is important. We need some salt water and we will chop the brinjal pieces and dip them in this. Because if we don't, the brinjal pieces turn brown and they taste bitter when we finally make it. So this step is very critical. Now we will switch on the flame and we will prepare our pan to cook our brinjal fry. We will heat 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil in the pan to start the frying process. We will add some mustard, a pinch of mustard, and some jeera. Once the mustard and jeera start popping, we will add our chopped onions. The onions can be sliced long like this, so those we will saute. Now add the plucked curry leaves that we have washed. Keep stirring them while the onions are sauteing so that they don't burn. Now we can add the chopped brinjal. Take them from the salt water where we have dipped them and then add them into the pan. Now add a teaspoon of salt. We will also add half a teaspoon of haldi. You can balance the spices according to your taste. Stir fry on medium flame. Keep mixing with a spatula so that the brinjal or the onions don't burn. Now cover and cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Keep the flame low to medium so that it cooks well. Keep stirring every 2 to 3 minutes. You can check whether the onions are done by pressing on them. If you know that they have cooked, that means it's done. Now we will add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Depending upon whether if you want it spicy, you can add more red chili powder. Now add 1 teaspoon of dhania powder. Just cook for another 2 minutes with 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and your brinjal fry is done. Garnish with freshly chopped coriander leaves and your brinjal fry is done. Enjoy this delicious brinjal fry or Vankaya Vepudu with rice and dal. That's the perfect combination. Thanks for watching everyone. Stay tuned for more.